Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to find wallet address on Solflare wallet. In order to find wallet address on Solflare, first of all, launch open the Solflare wallet application and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you launch open the application, go ahead and tap on the receive button at the top of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your Solflare wallet address. You can copy it directly from the app by tapping on the copy button right underneath the wallet address and paste it on to another platform, or if you want to share it directly, tap the share button at the bottom and select one of the contacts that you want to share your wallet address with. You can directly pick a contact or use messaging applications such as Messenger, WhatsApp, your very own SMS app, and so on. Always ensure that you are copying the correct address for the token you are receiving. That is how you can easily find your wallet address on Solflare. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.